$5,000 a month without showing your face and without spending a single dollar on software. But here's the truth. While most people are stuck scrolling, a small group of creators are quietly building automated income machines using nothing but free AI tools. And today, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step system to do it. From zero to a fully uploaded monetized video. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just results. So, if you're serious about making money online this year, don't skip a second of this video, because the last step is where most people fail. And it's the difference between a hobby and a real income stream. Let's get into it. Now first, let's clear something up. We are not just making finance videos. That's too broad, too crowded, and honestly, that's where beginners lose. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real money on YouTube is not in general content. It's in specific topics advertisers are willing to pay top dollar for. We're talking about niches like credit cards, investing side hustles, passive income AI money-making strategies. These are what I call advertiser magnets. So what you're going to do is go to Google Trends, type in topics like best credit cards, dividend stocks, or AI side hustles. If you see a steady or rising graph, you found a winner.
Most people skip this part and just talk about what they like.
But this is where the money is. You don't chase views. You position yourself where advertisers are already spending. Now once you've locked in your niche, step 2, engineer a viral script using ChatGPT. This is where most people completely mess up. They go into ChatGPT and say something like, "Write me a script about stocks." That's lazy, and it shows. Instead, you need to control the output. You give it a role. You are a high-retention YouTube scriptwriter for a finance channel. Write a 1,500-word script on your topic. Make it engaging, conversational, and include pattern interrupts every 30 to 60 seconds. That one change alone will transform your content. Now here's the real secret. Break your script into smaller chunks if needed, then stitch them together. Why? Because this keeps the quality high and avoids those robotic sections that kill retention. And remember, your script is everything. If the script is boring, the video fails. Period. Step 3. Create a professional voiceover. Using 11 Labs. A faceless channel lives or dies by its voice. So don't rush this part. Go to 11 Labs and use their free plan. Upload your script. Choose a voice that sounds authoritative but still human. Personally, I recommend voices like Adam or Marcus for finance content. Now here's a pro tip most people don't know. Don't generate the entire script at once. Break it into sections. This gives you better control over tone, pacing, and clarity. Because if the voice sounds robotic, even slightly, people will click off, and that kills your retention. Step 4. Generate high-quality visuals with Leonardo AI and Pexels. You need visuals that feel real, because if your video looks cheap, people assume your content is cheap. So here's what you do. For custom visuals, go to Leonardo AI. Use it to generate things like luxury lifestyles, money visuals, modern offices, or anything that matches your topic. Then, go to Pexels or Pixabay. Search for things like city time-lapse, business meeting, stock market, luxury lifestyle. Download at least 20 to 30 clips. Yes, 20 to 30. Why? Because fast-paced visuals keep people watching, and retention equals growth. Most people reuse the same boring clips. That's why their videos flatline. Now comes the part where everything comes together. Step 5. Edit everything inside CapCut Desktop. This is where your video becomes a product. Download CapCut Desktop. It's free. Import your voiceover. Add your visuals. And now, this is the secret weapon. Turn on auto captions. Finance viewers love reading along, and captions alone can boost your retention significantly. Then add background music from the YouTube audio library. Choose something like lo-fi or inspirational. Keep the volume low, around -25 decibels, so it doesn't overpower your voice. Clean, professional, engaging. Now you've got a solid video. But here's where most people drop the ball. Step 6. Thumbnail and SEO optimization. Listen carefully. You can have the best video in the world, but if nobody clicks, it doesn't matter. So go to Canva. Create a high-contrast thumbnail. Use big text. Something like $5,000 month, AI income, passive cash. Add arrows, bold colors, make it impossible to ignore. Then use vidIQ to find high-ranking keywords. Look at what your competitors are doing and do it better. This is not about guessing. This is about strategy. Now let's talk about what this actually turns into. Because this isn't just about posting videos. This is about building income streams. You're looking at ad revenue, where finance channels earn some of the highest CPMs on YouTube, affiliate marketing, promoting credit cards, apps, and platforms, digital products, selling guides, templates, or courses, and even AI services, where you can offer content creation to businesses. This is bigger than YouTube. This is a system. Now look, I've just given you the entire blueprint, from idea to upload to monetization. But this only works if you actually take action. So if you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check the links in the description. I've listed every single tool you need to get started, and I want you to comment one thing below. I'm starting. Because this could be the year you finally build something that pays you back. Let's get to work.